your DIY. Right, so hit it. Right. Fish. DIY. DIY. Fish. Right.
Wow, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Fish Academy. Is your humble friend Kufre Ibanga Francis, founder First Fish Academy. In today's video, I want to show you how to prepare your screen to allow only the wastewater to go out from your pond without the fish, using this and this. So let's go straight to the video. So for this DIY video, we're going to use our drilling machine or screw machine, and then we use this drill bit. And then, as I said earlier, we're going to use this pipe to form our screen. So first of all, you choose the size of your drill bit with respect to the size of fish you have in your pond. Don't forget, you might be having fingerlings, you might be having juvenile, you may be having your big fish, your table size fish, or that would depend, would determine the size of drill bit that you are going to use to drill your pipe. So this is how this is done. You insert your drill bit in here, and then you tighten. Until it is locked, and then you get your PVC pipe, having measured the vertical length that you need in your pond, and then you drill accordingly. DIY. You can actually do this without paying anybody to do this for you.
So, what is the solution? Right. So your DIY. Right, so hit it. Right. Fish. DIY. DIY. Fish. Right.
This is it. This is exactly what we are having there. As you can see, whenever we discharge our water, it does not allow the fish to go out alongside with the wastewater. So at all times the fish are agile, they are less stressed, they are not stressed at all. So you don't need to return the fish to the pond after you are, maybe because you are separating water, you discharge your water alongside with the fish. The stress end up stressing your fish, end up killing your fish. So this is what to do in case you are a small scale fish farmer and then you're looking at, or you are watching me, you can't have me in your place and all that. this is exactly what to do in your farm, and then it will really help you a lot. Watch out for more videos as we bring you more practical videos on how to DIY things in your facility. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. This is another practical video. Please always do well to share our videos so that other people can also have opportunity to watch the same video that you have watched, and even more videos that we've posted earlier and the ones that we are going to post after now. Okay, sharing is caring. Also endeavor to like our videos and always stay connected. Join the number of subscribers that have subscribed to this channel, and then make this channel your most preferred channel on YouTube as regards fish farming, the way others have also did. Thank you very much. It's your humble friend, Kufre Ibarra Francis, founder, First Fish Academy. Till I come your way again, please endeavor to click the like button, the subscribe button to subscribe. If your subscribe button is still showing red, it means you have not subscribed. Click on the red subscribe button, and then expect more practical videos from us. In case you are just joining us, our training for core members is every second Saturday and third Saturday. This Saturday again, we having training for our core members, NYC core members in Nigeria. I will train you in your country. Bye.